Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to show you how to put your phone from light mode to dark mode. If you have upgraded to iOS 13, you know that, or you may not know, that you are able to have dark mode now as well as light mode. So I'm going to take you in, I'm going to show you how to do that and set it up so you can automatically have it come on. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, what you want to do is sign into your phone. And in today's lesson, I want to show you how to turn on dark mode and light mode. So what you want to do is you want to go up to the settings app, wherever that may be on your phone. Mine's up towards this top. You can see the circle with the arrow. So you want to click on the settings app. And then you want to come in here and you want to go down to the third section, and you're going to see display and brightness. You want to click on that, and at the top it says appearance. It says light and it says dark. So light, we're in light right now, it's all white background. If we click on dark, so just click dark, you can see how everything is dark now. You scroll up, scroll down, go back to light, scroll up, scroll down. So it gives you the opportunity to be light or dark whenever you feel so. Right now, below light is automatic, and the toggle switch is green, meaning it's automatically set up. And the options below says light until 2200, which is 10 p.m. So we're just going to click on that. And you can set this up. So appearance schedule times change appearance automatically. iPhone may wait to transition until you are using the screen. So sunset to sunrise. I currently have custom schedule. So you can do light appearance. So right now it's set up from 7 a.m. It will come on light, and it will go all the way till 10 p.m., which is 2200. And then from 10 p.m. until 7 a.m., it will be dark appearance. And then you can click on here. Dark is 2200, which is 10 p.m. Let's go back and go dark and go under options again. And this just gives you a broad view of what it looks like. And you can click on light appearance, and by taking your finger or your thumb, you can just move this by scrolling your thumb or finger up and down to whatever time you want. You can set it as 5 a.m. come on light, 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. It's entirely up to you. Same with the seconds. Put your thumb on there and you can move down or you can move up. And then if you want to readjust the dark appearance, just click on dark appearance, and here we go, 2200, 10 p.m. You can change that to 8 p.m. You can go 6 p.m. or 4 p.m. It's automatically set up for 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. And so you can come in here and you can customize to your liking when you want the dark mode to come on and when you want the light mode to come on. Or you can just click sunset to sunrise, and that'll eliminate the scheduling, or do custom scheduling from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to bring you in and show you that. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, and please comment and share with others. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you click on more and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you watched today or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology, and you want to click the bell notification to get notified of any new videos coming out and to stay up to date. And you want to also click up above to watch the latest video that's on our channel. Please check out GIT Get Into Technology. Thank you.